We want to thank all of our wonderful customers who have made Klahanie Chevron their place for all kinds of routine services. Oil changes, brake repair, coolant flushes, new tires, new batteries, and general repair provided by our ASE certified technicians. Here at Klahanie Chevron, we do it all. We have 5 service bays and technicians on duty 6 days a week. See you soon.
The continuously variable transmission, otherwise known as CVT, is a relatively new design development car manufacturers have begun to make standard in new cars. We discussed this in our last video. But standard automatic transmissions are still the overwhelmingly more common transmission powering vehicles on U.S. roads, and we still need to know how to service them. Manual transmissions are still in use too, though decades ago their popularity began to go the same direction automatic transmissions seem to be going now. Manual, automatic, and CV transmissions all have one thing in common. They all need transmission fluid, and we must keep note if we notice leaks. YourMechanic.com tells us that once you notice green or red transmission fluid in your driveway, even if it is a small amount, you need to get the leak repaired. If it's left alone, the problem will get worse over time. A car leaking transmission fluid can be caused by a leak in the pan. This can happen through wear and tear over time. The pan can either be punctured or the plugs may not be tightened properly. Heat can cause cracks in the lines, creating a leak as well. This drains the transmission fluid pretty fast. One of the main causes of a transmission fluid leak is a gap in your transmission. Sad to say, the location of this leak is hard to find, and its repair can be expensive.
For gas, diesel, and ASE certified auto technicians, come to Klahanie Chevron. Thank you for watching.